Acts chapter 22.
My brothers and fathers, make una hear me as I dey defend myself.
When them hear say he dey talk to them with Aramaic language, they come quiet well. Then Paul say,
I be Jew wey dey born for Tarsus wey dey Cilicia, but na for this town I for grow. I go school and learn our grandpapa dem law well under Gamaliel, and I get mind to serve God well just as una be today. I suffer Christians, and I dey kill people wey dey serve God. Dey tie people throw for prison whether dem be man or woman, and even the high priest and the council elders know about me. From them, I collect letter go give their brothers wey dey for Damascus, so that I go arrest people wey believe Christ, come bring them come Jerusalem put for prison. As I dey go, near Damascus, around afternoon, one kind light from heaven come shine around me. Then I fall for ground, come hear one voice wey say, Saul, Saul, why you dey punish me? I answer, who you be, Oga? He come say, I be Jesus Christ wey come from Nazareth, wey you dey punish. The people wey follow me see the light, but dem no understand the voice wey dey talk to me. So I ask am, Oga, wetin you want make I do? The Oga answer, get up make you go Damascus. For there, dem go tell you everything wey God don choose say you go do. Because of how the light shine for my eye, I no fit see again. So the people wey dey follow me come hold my hand go Damascus. One man wey dem dey call Ananias, wey dey holy and dey serve God according to the law, and the Jew people wey dey stay there dey talk good about am. Na the man come meet me, stand near me say, Brother Saul, make you begin see again. So for that same time, I look up, come see am. Then he say, God wey our grandpapa dem serve don already choose you to do wetin he want, and to take your eye see the righteous person. So make you hear and listen to am, because you go be in witness to all the people about wetin you don see and hear. Now, wetin you dey wait for? Get up, make dem baptize you, so that God go forgive you your sin as you call in name. When I go Jerusalem back and dey pray for the temple, I come see vision, and Jesus Christ say, make you comot for Jerusalem quick, because dem no go accept wetin you dey talk about me. I answer, Oga, dem theirself know say I dey beat and throw people wey believe you put for prison. And when dem kill your servant Stephen, I stand there support dem, come keep their cloth for dem. But the Oga say, go, because I go send you go far go meet Gentile people.
As he talk finish, people wey gather dey listen to am come dey shout,
carry this man comot, make una allow am leave.
As dem dey shout, the vex pull shirt and throway sansan. The commanding officer come give order say make dem take Paul go inside barrack. He say make dem flog and ask Paul question, so that dem go fit know why the people dey shout for Paul head like that. When dem don put am for ground make dem start to flog am, Paul come ask the soldier wey stand near am,
E dey right make una flog person wey be Roman citizen when dem never judge in case?
When the soldier hear this, he go tell the commanding officer,
Wetin you wan do so? This man come from Rome o.
So the commanding officer ask Paul, tell me, you be Roman citizen? Paul answer,
Yes.
The commanding officer come say,
na big money I spend to be Roman citizen.
Paul answer,
But they born me for Rome.
then those men wey bin wan ask am question come comot and fear catch the commanding officer when he know say Paul wey dem tie na Roman citizen. The next day, because the commanding officer wan know the reason wey make the Jew people dey accuse Paul, he release am come order the priest oga dem and the whole council make dem gather. So he bring Paul come stand for their front.